Alex is working on a Python program. Everything looks correct. He clicks run. But Python stops and shows another error. This error is called value error, and it means Python received the correct type of object, but the value itself is invalid. Think of it like this. Alex has a lock that accepts numbers only. The lock is working perfectly. But instead of entering a number, he enters a word. The problem is not the lock. The problem is the value being entered. Python feels the same way. In this example, Python is trying to convert text into an integer. But the word hello cannot be converted into a valid number. So Python raises a value error. The type is correct. Python received a string, but the content of the string that is not suitable for the conversation. That is why this is called a value error, not a type error. Now the string contains a valid numeric value. Python converts it successfully. Another common example happens when working with list. The remove method works correctly. The list exists, but the value 5 is not present inside the list. So Python raises a value error. To fix value error, always verify that the value you are passing is valid only for the operation you are performing. Whenever you see value error, ask yourself these questions. Can this value be converted? Does the value exist in the list? Is the value within the allowed range? Most value errors are solved by checking the actual value being passed. Alex corrects the value and runs the program again. Everything works perfectly. Problem solved.